Ka Meghalaya Games ke Bahin Rio, kelas sakhi yang jingelek kai athletics ke ba Internet Hamadan Multisports Complex wa ejer, ha ke ba ke West Jaintia Hills, kelapau kum ke baklan bor ba. Ya ke kusnam best athlete na kaliang kishinrang, la yo da u Henry Yoga sangma na North Garo Hills, ubala pendap ya ke jingmare shispa meter, bat kamai praspa sapu point. Ha kaliang ki kentei ya ke nam best athlete, la khur da kadamika lingdo, ha ka jingmare ke basau spa meter bat kamai nyos pa point. Kat ba ya ka nam best promising athlete la yo da joyful narlong na riboy, ha ka jingele kai long jump da ka bakamai nyos pa point. Ha ka mare mixed relay la yo I ba ka West Jaintia Hills kala yo ban khor ya ka kerdan bahakli do bat kit khot jo kinhun yele kai kilong urenal didhar damika lingdo kershan langshila bat hemon ki kai. Ka East Khasi Hills kalara ya ka kerdan baar bat kani ka urlong deling ba ka jingshim kya jong udon bok shabong lam kupar roy kharpuli ka Bethlehem Grace Makri bat yasha biang por soyong. Kari boiling ba udrolibel sim joyful narlong rinalis ingti bat scam lang suba kalara ya ka kerdan ka balai. Ka West Jaintia Hills kala beteng ya ka jingjob jongka ha ka ba ukershan lang shila ula job ya ka jingmare spa meter jong kishenrang kat ba kadami ka lingdo kala yo ban khor ya ka kerdan nyngkong ha ka spa meter jong kenthe. Ka district kala paru kum ka nong job ha ka jingamare mixed relay. Ki weipat kinong yelek ka ki bapau nam ki kentup ya uskam lang suba na riboy ubala job ya ka khatsan spa meter jong kishenrang kat ba ka Dublin waklang na Southwest Khasi Hills kabla yo ban khor ya ka kerdan bahakli do ha ka khatsan spa meter jong ki kenthe. Ha ka jinga kop javelin throw ka melibat kuro na riboy kala job ha ka kerdan jong ki kenthe da ka bakawang arbu pra point kendai meter kat ba utusal sangma na North Garo Hills ulami kum unong job ha kaliang kishenrang da ka bakawang sabu pra point khatlai meter.
We are the future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, 'cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top. who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top. We are the future. We are the stars. We'll keep on fighting, 'cause that's who we
A big round of applause. With 4 gold, 5 silver, and 3 bronze. Meghalaya Games 2025 goes to none other than West Jaintia Hills District. With 9 gold medals, 4 silver medals, and 3 bronze medals. Congratulations, West Jaintia. Let us all cheer up for the champion of the athletic meet in the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025. That is the West Jaintia Hills District. Congratulations, being the host of the 6th Meghalaya Games. Thank you, Mount Pleasant, for doing the honor in these 3 days event. Let us all give a round of applause.
The battle and have reached this peak. Come on, support your team, come on! Louder! Point to North Garoel, 21-19. Point to North Garoel, 22-19. Louder! Point to West Garoel, 21-22. Going to West Garoel, 22-22. Point to North Garoel, 23-22. Point to West Garo Hills, 23-23. Point to North Garo Hill, 24-23. Point to North Garo Hill, 25-23. Point to West Garo Hill, 22-19. Point to West Garo Hill, point to North Garo Hill, 24-20. Point to West Garo Hill, 25-22. The third vote and the third set goes in favor of West Garo Hill, scoring 25, North Garo Hill 22. Louder! Louder! Point to West Garo Hill, 15-6. The match goes in favor of West Garo Hill District. They are the Saints Meghalaya Games Volleyball Championship 2025. Congratulations to West Garo Hill District.
West Garo Hills, we are representing West Garo Hills. So,
why not, Vicky?
last year also we won
Please
the
share your experience
first
about
position,
volleyball.
and then we are the defending champion. And this year also we are very lucky to win the game. We are lucky to be in the first position again.
Very good evening to one and all
I'm so
present
glad
here.
that, we get the chance to win again.
Respected the
My
working
players,
president
they're
of
all
the
happy. Some of them they are my
Meghalaya
juniors.
Volleyball
They came
Association.
here for the first time to
The
join, and then
secretary, all the
they
member of
represent
the
West Garo
association.
Hills for the first time. And then
and also the president,
happy for them,
secretary
and I'm
in the
happy
district
for
as
myself as
well.
well. So
Allah alumni match pasa
the environment,
our Daloy of
food and all,
Ilaka
it's
Juai,
all good. But the thing is
the
that
headman
it's so cold here.
from
so
different locality,
we cannot
especially
we have to adapt for it. So
Mission Compound locality
Yeah, that's-
where